Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very fun fashion-y kind of tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to make a bunch of cheap, very inexpensive clothing look super expensive and luxury, kind of like what I do on my Instagram all the time. I do get like kind of questions on my Instagram and stuff like how do I afford all the clothes that I have. Some of the more expensive clothes that I do have are mostly from collaborations, because I'm not really the kind of girl that spends a ton of money. Though I might add, I just bought these boots for $200. Biggest splurge of my life. Anyway, most of the clothes I'm going to be showing you today are going to be under like $20. Also, some of these things are really nice quality for the price, like things that I've gotten from Shein and Romwe. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So these are all of our basics here that we're going to start with. Over here I got like this whole set from AliExpress. Both of them were like, that was like $5 and this was maybe 10. These were from Zalful for super cheap. I love the lace-up detailing on this. It already kind of gives it a little bit of luxury. This one here was from Zalful as well. And this basics white skirt from Forever 21 was $7. This top here was from eBay for like $3. And then I got this super nice little mini pencil skirt from Toby. So it's really good to start with basics and then add the luxury bits to it. So this is the first look here. It is the all black one with the little bow tie on it. Let's dress it up and make it look luxury. So, some of the key things to making any plain or cheap outfit look super luxury is the very luxury-like textures, like furry things, satin, and velvet, which I have all those out in pink, obviously. And then I have some super duper cute shoes here. Any like a banger pair of shoes will make the outfit like amazing. I also have some Louis Vuitton dupes here. And some super cute little gem pink heels. Alright, so this is the first look. I put some super cute thigh-high boots on it and this luxury satin coat, and I used the tie right here as a choker. But now it looks like $1,000,000. You would never think that this shirt was $3. Also, this satin jacket was super cheap as well from Rose Wholesale. It was only like $20. So the next one has a little bit more bling in it. I have these super duper sparkly shoes from Ego and a sparkly necklace here that I got for $5 on AliExpress. Also, this faux fur is super cheap. It was only like $30 from Zalful, and it's beautiful and makes any outfit look like $1,000,000. And then going off of the gems and sparkliness, I love adding like a sparkly choker or a necklace. I have so many of these because they are so cheap, guys. Like this one was $5 and that one was $7 from AliExpress and Amazon, like no lie, they were so cheap. And then this over here is my most coveted Chanel bag. I wear it with like almost all of my outfits, like probably 90% of my outfits I pair with this bag. And it is not cheap, guys, even though this is like cheap clothing video. So it's totally up to you guys, or you could get like a look-alike bag to all the designer bags. I know those are totally out there, but I am just really happy with this one piece in my wardrobe that makes all my outfits super elevated and really luxury looking. So this is our next very basic look to make super luxury. Again, this is like $10 and like $5. So let's dress it on up. All right, so this is it all dressed up. And I have my faux fur, of course, which is the trend in this luxury video. I have my Chanel bag, and then my designer shoe dupes. And this makes this outfit look super poppin'. Everything that's like all white with a splash of light pink, of course, is really luxury looking. I just love the all white kind of look. I would wear this to a very fancy dinner, anything luxury. This would be like my go-to. Even though this whole outfit underneath here is only like $15 put together. So nobody would know. This is our next look to dress up and make look super fabulous. This one isn't too hard though because it already has like these lace-up details and is a super cute color of pink, but it does need a little something something. Okay, look at how adorable this looks. It looks so expensive. I love the sparkles mixed with this color of pink and white. This is like the epitome of my style. So I have the white faux fur that I got from Michael Kors. This was expensive, but I'm sure that there are plenty of things on the internet that look just like it. And then I also have my super sparkly necklace, $7 from Amazon. And then the Ego shoes again. I just love these little shoes and they perfectly match the pinks up here. And yeah, this one looks like so expensive. Totally ready to go like on a night on the town in like Paris. The next one with this same outfit is these thigh-high boots with my little sparkly choker. And then of course my Chanel bag and this kind of bedroomy robe thing here. It's like a duster, I guess, but it makes it look so cute. I think what really makes it is the sparkly choker personally. And I love putting some thigh-high boots on things to make it look very expensive. And just by the way, these boots were from Go Jane for like $30, which is insane for thigh-high boots. Alright, so the very first one is going to be this all black look here. I have my little mini pencil skirt and this off-shoulder little crop top kind of thing. They're both super duper cheap. Alright, so this is it all fancied up. I have my little sparkly shoes, my pink faux fur, and a little black clutch bag to top it all off. And then I love that the pink of the shoes perfectly matches the pink of this scarf. The faux fur scarf, which is so soft by the way, was only like $16 from Shein. And you can also wear the scarf down like this, and it is a super classy luxury look, and this is definitely one of my favorites. So this is the last outfit. They were both from AliExpress. The whole outfit together was like roughly $15, and I love them, but of course they are very plain and we gotta dress it up just a little bit. So this is the outfit all glammed out and put together. I added my velvet pink puffer coat, a little sparkle choker to add that luxury flair, and then I added my Chanel bag because that goes with everything I do. And then I even put some little ribbed booties that are white, so it totally keeps up the whole white ribbed trend here and really makes it look luxury and super planned out. Alrighty loves, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my luxury outfits and how to style cheap clothes. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe down below and give me a thumbs up. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.